Hi guys, welcome to this reboxing video. And here what I'm going to do is rebox this very cool Surara Redragon keyboard. You guys know that I don't get to keep everything that I show on the channel, and therefore what's the point of having this if you don't have a gaming system or a gaming computer powerful to run all the cool stuff anyway. So we're going to make sure that everything that came with this cool keyboard goes back. We've got the instruction manual, we've got the cookie cutter here, we've got the cool sticker that comes with it, and I think that should be all. No, maybe not. There's some extra little buttons and pieces like that, but we want to make sure that it all stays nice and packaged well. So put those to the side, and we'll continue on in the next video because we're running out of time.
Likey.